Ava Drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Let's draw this amazing Wednesday Addams with me today. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Come on. Let's start our drawing of Wednesday by the line on the left side of your face. We continue the line through his chin. We follow his face on the right side. Very well. Now, we contour your right ear. We draw the line of your entire hair step by step. Did you know that Wednesday is a rather peculiar character? She is the youngest daughter of the Addams family. She stands out for her dark and gothic personality. Her style of clothing is formed with black polka dot dresses and white collar. To finish the contour, we draw the hairline to meet the face line. Yes, very good. Let's draw the left braid of Wednesday's hair. We draw the lines of the sleeve of your dress and finish the braid with the lines of your ear. Step by step, very slowly. Very well. Now, let's design the collar and buttons on your dress. That's great! We went around the other sleeve of Wednesday's dress. Now we draw the right braid of Wednesday's hair. Step by step, very slowly. Yes, very well. Our drawing of Wednesday is already beginning to appear. To finish our Wednesday drawing, we will draw the details of the face of our beloved character. We draw the hair and eyebrow lines of our Wednesday. Step by step, very slowly. Well done! Finally, we draw his two eyes. We draw your nose. Now your perfect mouth. It is getting very good. Wow! We have finished all the outline of our drawing of Wednesday Addams. She was beautiful. If you are enjoying our drawing so far, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new drawing. That's great! Now let's paint. I have already separated the 5 colors that we will use to paint our beautiful Wednesday. To begin our painting, we will use the black color to paint the base of our character's dress. Very well. Still in black, we will paint the base of Wednesday's black hair. Very good. Now, we will use the beige color to paint the neck and face of our Wednesday. That's good. We will use the color dark gray to paint the braids of our Wednesday. We also paint the core of the buttons of her dress. In the same color, we will paint over the base of the hair, making the layer of light a little lighter. Now we'll paint your 2 little black eyes. Yes, very good. We will use the dark pink color to paint the mouth of our character. Very well. Our Wednesday is getting perfect. To finish our painting, we will use the lighter gray color to paint all the details of our Wednesday. We started painting the polka dots of our beautiful Wednesday's dress. Very well. Still in light gray color, we will paint a layer in Wednesday's hair, making a layer of light even lighter. That's great! Our Wednesday Addams was beautiful. Wow! Our drawing of Wednesday is complete. Friends, the drawing of our cute Wednesday was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about Wednesday. Congratulations! The drawing of Wednesday was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon. Ava Drawings.